So, everyone keeps asking me, is AI actually taking over the photo booth industry? Or is it just a massive gimmick full of glitches? Now, we know that a lot of photo booth software companies, you get to buy the credits, they don't roll over monthly, but Alive, you get to, over Alive, do pay-as-you-go credits. They're the first to do that as far as I'm aware. And I think it's absolutely amazing. Well, today I'm answering that once and for all. And some of you on the live forum as well, you've asked for some help with the prompts. So if you're new here, I'm the founder of the Lux 360 Booth and Boothstation. We don't just rent and retail the world's most advanced cells, but we actually design them, customize them, invent. We have a patent on a few. And right now, we are the exclusive partnership with AI photo booth software, Alive, and they do more than that. They're just the photo booth software. So as the official UK ambassadors for this cutting edge new photo booth technology, big shout out to Ben. I'm going to give you some hands-on review on my channel throughout the next few weeks, but also we've got the test mode where we have developers direct feedback and we're putting it all to the test so we can really give you guys a really good atmosphere of what works. You know, we have a real hire company, so we know the real problems operators face and how this software actually solves it for them. So, the AI prompts. This is my AI gallery I recently did. I'm not going to give you all my prompts because the marketplace is coming soon, but I will give you one of my prompts. So, I posted this prompt earlier on the forum and I got asked, is that a real prompt? You know, have you faked it, dude? Didn't fake it, definitely not. So this is the photo here I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to download this one. So that's the photo that it took off the iPad booth. It was at an expo, wasn't the greatest background. This is what it produced, so which is what is on the forum as well. So if I go to the public gallery, we can see that. And you can see what it produced was massively better when you compare in comparison to the two. I'm just going to pull it up here. So download. There we go. So that's obviously what it produced. Absolutely amazing. So what is the prompt for this? A lot of you are asking me about prompts. Prompt takes a little bit of time and practice. But I'm going to give you the prompt that I had for this. These are some other ones I had on. So this is the actual prompt that I'm going to go into, and I'm going to give it you guys for free. So I will copy it into the comments on this video, but this is the exact prompt that I used. You have to be precise. You can use the logo. I did that by using the image reference just here and uploading it, and you have to refer to it. But yeah, I will copy and paste and put this in there for you. And yeah, I'm going to keep testing the software. I'll keep helping the community as we go along. I'm still learning the software right now as well, guys. So we'll keep going. But right now, I'm really excited with what Alive offers. I think that they have a huge amount to offer. I mean, the fact that it's a one platform with all this stuff on is just phenomenal. And I think that one of the most proactive things Alive, and especially Ben, the team, are doing right now is they're listening to you guys and the feedback, you know, and that's really, really important to me. But I hope this has helped you guys with getting to know your prompts a bit more. You can maybe learn from the way I've done it on this prompt. And best of luck with all of the Alive photo booth software and events that I see. Thank you.